right? That's good for you guys. That's good for you guys. You see on top there we have what you call triple top, right? Let me show you nicely, right? We have triple top. You can see there the resistance is triple top, right? We have one, then we have two, and then three. Right, that's a three. All right, then we have something like a flag nyana. You have something like a flag nyana, but it's not that that clear. Then we also have break of trend line and the retests. It retests with a head and shoulder. If you check there was a lot of confirmation. We have a head and shoulder, then we have a break of trend line, and then we have triple top, right? You see, then the left shoulder, then the right, then the neckline, then the head is top there. You see, then we also have a flag continuation pattern. If you check where I took my third entry, that's a continuation pattern. So yeah, good. It has to drop, right? It has to drop. It has to drop. So now I'm just waiting for it to hit the TP, then I'm out. That's the TP. That's the TP. Yeah, but you can see the setup was simple. The setup was simple. And if you want to trade with the broker that I'm trading, you can check on the description. Check on the description, right? And then overall, if you can check there, let me just show you some 1 2 there. You can see there some 1 2 3, right? It's impulsive, then with correction there, then with impulsive, but that impulsive was move highs and lows, not like the previous one. The previous one just goes straight, but this one is moving highs and lows.
The economy is doing wonderfully.